How to Train Employees Quick, Fast, and Efficiently by yours truly. So, hi, my name is Liam. I've been a developer for about a decade. I raised about $500,000 for my first startup. I've hired over 100 people. I actually do some of the crazy stuff you see online. Like, I wake up at 4 in the morning every day. I work every day with the same smile on my face. So, in a past life, I was one of the best rowers in the world. And then I carry that grit and discipline to actually helping people make money, primarily with code. So I work with some big companies like Make-A-Wish, celebrities, this type of stuff. But now, in this moment, I'm here for you. So today we're going to answer this Reddit question about business and automation, and then I can show you how I would handle this. So let's go to the Reddit. The Reddits. So this is r/small business by Sign Psychology 728. And they say, need help training videos for my team. What's the easiest way? So he runs a small agency of 8 people and we're hiring more. We need to create training videos so I'm not repeating myself 10x per week. Nothing fancy, just screen recording showing how we use project management tools, client onboarding processes, and our design workflow. Requirements needs to be fast because these changes happen monthly. What I've looked at is Loom. Easy, but editing is tedious. Camtasia seems overkill and expensive. I agree. AI tools like I don't know, 2 companies. Not sure if these are good for internal training. For those who've done this, what has worked? Ideal, record once, minimal editing, and update from there. Okay, so this is going to be a bit of a like come to Jesus conversation, just about the size, like head count versus the way you're using time and energy. Yeah, you make sense to me. In the ideal world, you would record once, minimal editing, and then you can update it easily. Like, or just violence is the answer here. And when I say violence is the answer, no, we're literally not being violent, but just re-record it, man. Like, if your processes are changing every month, you're putting yourself in a really hard position, and you're putting your employees in a hard position because they need to relearn skills as opposed to just refining the ones that you already put together. So when you're making a change in the company, you need to think to yourself, okay, I'm gonna lose as a default because of this change. There's gonna be like a lack of efficiency in the company, right? So let's have that at 15 to 20% upfront. So are these micro changes that I'm doing within my processes worth? Do I think they're going to increase the productivity of this process by 20%, right? If the answer is yes, recognizing that it's going to take the team a little bit of time to actually figure out how to do these steps effectively, and what does that look like. So almost always, like, I feel like as entrepreneurs, it's really easy to put ourselves in a position where we want to change everything in the business because you see some like slight efficiency, but a lot of the times you just need to let the business rest and really focus on a single aspect of it, right? If something isn't like the critical failure piece for the business, like, you do not need to update it. So I would say one thing coming up for me is, do we need to, and like we can go back to the Reddit, right? Like, why do we need to change these processes monthly? You don't need to, right? And if you do, you're running a small agency of 8 people. Do you not have 40 minutes once a month to record a new Loom? Right? It's kind of like a mic drop moment, but just re-record it, man. Like, just re-record it, or gal, just re-record it. That is my recommendation here. So no automations this time around. Hopefully you can feel trust from me in that I'll be honest with you if automating something is the right decision, or, or if it's just not. And in this case, it's not. Record it. You don't need to be repeating yourself 10 times per week. Record an initial set of looms and then update them as needed. And that's it. So if you are doing $25,000 or more and you want some help with automation stuff, I'm happy to help. I would be open to giving you a lot of free stuff. So Yeah, I can give you about $3,000 of free custom work if you're doing, if you've built your business up to that point. So you will see in the description a link to learn more about that. Regardless, I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you tomorrow. Goodbye.